there was a wild elephant going rampage in my constituency. They was there for the last 1 year now. They have caused damage to the standing crops, and of course to the few dwelling houses were also damaged. And I have taken this report to the concerned department. Even I have spoken in the assembly. And this week, recently this week also, I met the principal chief conservator of forest to see that these elephants were driven out from the area, because people they are afraid that if these elephants are still there, even they are afraid for the sowing of the seeds, paddy seeds also, because they are fear of the impending danger of damage by these wild animals. These originally they enter from Ranikor side. Maybe I do not know. Maybe from Palpagram side to Ranikor, and then Ranikor to my constituency. And in fact, they were about to leave our place. They are going back to the entry point. They are about to exit, but they came back. So that is the fear. So I was discussing with the wildlife department, and they are taking care of this. We'll see after a few days what action will be taken.
How many of them coming?
5. Yes. No injury has caused to any civilization or to the human, except to the few dwelling houses and the standing crops.
Government notified as an elephant corridor?
No, I am pursuing the matters to see that my area, this disturbed area, the affected areas may be considered under elephant project. I have been pursuing with the government, so I don't know whether will be notified or not. That is the matter we are examining. No, it is the first time. I think it is the first time that the elephants entered in my constituency since last 1 year. Okay. Otherwise, I have not heard of any elephants in my constituency.